Welcome back, guys. So right now, you are a graphic designer. Let's talk about generating a resume content with ChatGPT. So I'll open my ChatGPT up and I'll try to generate a resume content for myself. So right now, let's do that right away. So I want to generate a resume content. All I have to do is to prompt it. So I'm going to prompt what I want to do right now. So all I have to do is to take my prompt. Now I want to input my prompt. So I would say, as a graphic designer, you are a newbie, you don't have any work experience, of course. As a graphic designer with no work experience, help me create a resume for a job, for a graphic design job. So let's say you have a prospect for a graphic design job at Billard Tech Academy. So you will highlight my design projects as my work experience with the design portfolio link to Behance. Yes. So this will be my prompt. I'll just do something like this and let's see what the content will be. So right now we can easily generate an AI content this way. So we can generate a content for our resume right now, and that's what I just did. So as you could see, motivated and creative graphic designer, passionate about visual storytelling and creating impactful designs, eager to contribute my design expertise and fresh perspectives to Billard Tech Academy. So this is a tailored resume for a particular job, and you could easily use this to create your resume. As you could see, you see freelance graphic designer, portfolio project. So you see brand identity, portfolio, showcase and achievements, soft skills, references. Yeah, so we have a perfect resume right here. And in the next lesson, we are going to put this into design and we're going to see how to design your resume. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.